people. So
Okay, so as Venkat, how you are managing the time? So where you are getting a time for eating, sleeping, and doing assignments of, okay? Whether you are submitting the
uh,
assignment or not, how you are getting the time?
I'm submitting all assignments.
Yeah, yeah. I'm wondering whether you have an outsourcing person to do this assignment and or otherwise whether
Okay.
you are managing on your own.
I'm managing on my own.
Yes, how?
Like when I get some time during when we at the office time when customers not if there is no any chats, I try to complete the remaining tasks like any assignments or something. Or in the week of time, I will complete assignments like.
Yes, Venkat, a normal human being has to sleep for 8 hours. It is,
Yeah.
but I believe that you are not sleeping that much, but still 9 o'clock you are a little bit active and ready to speak. How? What is the secret of that energy?
Normally, I would not get proper sleep. Like it has been like addicted to that. Like from 1.5 years, I tried to sleep like 1.5 years. I tried to sleep like 2-3 hours. Like when I joined the classes.
Okay, so you
So
practice.
at the week of time, yeah, and the week of time, I get some rest to sleep.
Okay, wow, it's very nice to listen. And friends, the perception will be different what we actually seeing. Okay, so I know about Venkatadurga very well about his submissions. So he will not be active during a presentation, or we may be feeling that his communication is not that much good. That might be our feeling because he is not grasping the opportunity during the classes. But during the submissions and other activities, I am able to see the seriousness of the Venkatadurga. But after hearing this, I feel very happy. Okay, he compromised his sleep for last 1.5 years and balancing our college work schedule and his personal and also his family time and also his target. He is meeting his target. That's why they are retaining him for last 1.5 years. Okay, so very good, Venkatadurga. So please keep it up, but in between have time for you also. Okay, yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Yes, friends, coming back. Yes, Pradeepa, welcome. As a leader, you have to lead. I think you went to everybody's home to make them get ready. Is it so? Yes. So again, Pradeepa will have another story. Like Venkatadurga, I have a family, I have a 2 kid, I am managing very well. In between that, I am attending exam. Yes, very good, fantastic. But please on time, Pradeepa. So very aspiring marketing person, entrepreneur. Okay, fine. So coming back to the today's topic. Okay, so we are speaking about the importance of sales, quality of sales. And maybe the next getting is also about personal selling. The first unit we will speaking about sales, salesman quality, responsibility, and personal selling. Okay, so I just want to listen from you. Okay, as I said, for me today, my role model is Venkatadurga. Okay, so likewise, we may heard about many stories. For example, if you say women, okay, Indra Nooyi is a role model for a marketer. Still now, Pepsi is unable to replace Indra Nooyi as a best marketer, best sales women. Okay, so likewise, you may hurt some people. And what about them? Please don't tell, as I mentioned in the WhatsApp, please don't tell just a generalized statement. Yes, very good leadership, enthusiasm. Don't tell like that. Exam we will write. I will give full mark. But here, I need a situation or a practical example. What really touched this? If you want to share, I will share a lot of things from my heart. But I want to listen from you, great leaders. Okay, salesman quality, okay, his role, his function. I admired while reading or listening or observing or somewhere else or experienced. Okay, it may be from your prior experience, or it may be your father, or it may be a mother, or it may be a neighbor, whoever it may be. According to you, which person comes to your mind as a best salesman? I will again and again I will say the word salesman. Sales and management students feel happy to say that I am a salesman and a saleswoman because we are the person who are going to get money back. Okay, sales representative, that is a different word we are using, but salesman, we should feel proud, and we have to say the word called we are shameless to tell we are selling. We are here only very less number of people. Yes, comparing to other specialization, we have only 18. Out of the few got permission because of some personal challenges. Okay, but still I feel very happy that Out of this much number of crowd, only few people are able to take up the challenge. Okay, if you see the number, there will be a number of data entry operators, there will be a number of training people, but the number of people is less in sales, but actually they are giving more money return to the company. And it is not very easy task that everybody can come in. So I can become a HR manager, HR recruiter. If I learn some Tally, I can become a finance account. So like that I can say, if I learn some software, I can become a business analytics. But it's not very easy to become a salesman. I'm not speaking about a sales manager. If you want to become a salesman, there are a lot of qualities is required. It's not about going with the ugly dress, just walking. It's not a salesman. We given a word as a salesman, but salesman is a very responsible person, very qualitative person, is a very important person for any company. Every person have salesman inside. Most of the time, the salesman will be sleeping because other people are helping us. Okay, I just want to get a provoking thought-provoking session from you. So I need each and individual. Please share, according to you, who is your best salesman you aspire or admire and why? Yes, so we can go with the team. So first team, I will ask the team leader Venkat. So please, you should know about your team. You should encourage your team and we need everybody's participation. Yes, over to Venkat.
So, when I said like, I can remember my team leader Prashant. So whenever the customers ask for a recommendation or when the product is sold out, the team leader usually recommend a similar alternative product. So the customer may feel happy, like, so if I purchase this product, there is an advantage of that product. He had a touch points and advantages and convincing skill to the customer. So whenever I try to convince the customer, I fail to meet its requirements. So when I ask with help with my TL or TL, you would suggest and give recommendations and give some statements so that we can easily convince the customers. So when I feel like I'm feeling any difficulty, you would help me, and I would feel like he is the best salesperson. Like, so he can recommend everything, and yes, certain tips so that we can convince the customer and set easy targets.
What are the qualities you want to learn from him?
Like I want to learn from is that good listening system. When the customers ask for certain products, you would listen properly first what the customers require and what we have to provide him, and he has that think value creation, like what would we suggest if we suggest this product so that the customers will be happy, and you would customize according to customer requirements. So these qualities and convince skill is the most important.
Very good, Venkat. So you can nominate other persons from your team.
Next will be Sagar will be.
So please check whether Sagar is there or not. Okay, Sagar is here. Yes, yes.
Well, good morning, sir. Today I want to share my inspiration, sir. He is my dad's friend. So he works as a medical representative in Blue Cross. So when the company wanted to make sales with a particular doctor, he was very influential, and if he was the lead, then I think company was somewhere more than what they think, like the profits are increasing. So they wanted to make sales from him, but the doctor denied. Nearly some 7 to 8 salesperson, they tried to make some sales and the doctor denied. But there was one person who went to the doctor. But before going to the doctor, he approached the medical shop owner and he took some lead from how to convince the doctor. So based on that lead, he cracked that and he got good sales. Nearly some 700 to 800 boxes were prescribed from the doctor. So that was a thing because as a salesperson, we need to get the leads to convince the people. We need to know the market. So that inspired me a lot.
Great, Sagar. So over to Venkat again. Any other team members?
Yeah, Yashwant will be.
Sir, I'm not going to.
Sir, I'm going to speak about a CEO of a textile shop in Kerala. Her name is Beena Kannan, and she's the CEO of a textile branch, no, textile outlet known as Shimati. Shimati is the one of the leading silk bridal collection makers in Kerala. So what I aspire from her is that she is also the leading designer of that textile shop. She's managing the shop, and also she's taking as the lead designer in the thing. She you know makes innovative designs in silk sarees. She mix the traditional and the modern patterns of designing, and hence she made her brand as one of the biggest selling silk saree textile in Kerala. So apart, even if there are a large number of competitors in the silks and saree market, she was able to bring her textile shop into a huge maker of bridal collection and silk sarees. That was because of her innovative ideas.
Yes, Alan. So how we can sell a silk saree? As a salesman or a saleswoman, what are the qualities required for sell a silk saree?
Sir, I think mostly it is like to, as a salesperson, we need to convince people about the, the new trends and also the quality of the silk. Uh, as a Beena Kannan, she used to work in the floor, textile floor. She used to listen to her customers, and she prepares the designs according to her customers' needs. So I think we need to know the customers' needs, and we need to make things according to their wish, or according to new trends, or make new trends.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Alan. And who is the next person from your team, Alan?
Shivashankar, only I and Shivashankar.
Yes, yes. Shivashankar, your background is very nice. Actually, most of the time it is looking like you are in a black and white. It's a different setup. I don't know why, but it's very nice.
There is no current, sir.
Good.
I just opened the.
So you are so bright.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So I'm talking about the person Ravi Desai. Now he is the director of Mass.
Have some energy in your words.
Very cold, sir.
Okay.
He is the director.
In Rajasthan and also in Kashmir.
Sir, I am in Vagaman, sir, in Kerala, Hilly area.
Yeah.
So
Tell me.
So he is the director of brand marketing, mass and brand marketing at Amazon, and he handled brands like cigarettes, papers, and food categories, and he worked exclusively in trade and marketing, sales and distributions in ITC Limited. And his specialties are he creates categories, and he launches a new brands. Then
see, I am just improving your communication skill.
Yeah, I know, sir.
Many said communication is very important. See, we are able to, we are a little bit challenged to share about our own experience. Okay. So we have to practice. You know very well about the person, but you want to speak, you are getting stuck.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yes, Shivashankar. Yes, please tell the quality of that person that you are.
So he is a good brand creator.
Okay.
He launches many brands. He launched the brand Bingo. Then he's good sales. He have good experience in sales and distribution, trade marketing, and marketing. He designs more marketing strategies. That's all, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. So Shivashankar, so please prepare. Okay. So you are having very good talent, but when it comes to a presentation, we have to improve a little bit. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Shivashankar. So
I will try.
yes, thank you. Alan, anybody from your team? Can I move to the next team?
No, sir, only two.
Yes, fine. Yes, Kiran Kumar, so to you. Please take up your team.
Yes, sir. So today I'm going to be talking about the MD and CEO of Xiaomi, that is Manu Kumar Jain. Why I like that person is that he knows the Indian formula SST, that is Sasta Sundar Tikau. That means cheap, beautiful, and long lasting. So he's the current market leader of the smartphones. And one more thing I like about him, that he knows the current market trend very well. So I come up with one example. Realme, the competitor, they made one post in Twitter that we are the best we are the best in reasonable phones. But he replied, immediately he replied that don't forget us, we are the market leader. So he knows the current market trend, and he has a good sense of humor. And even I followed him in Instagram, and I see the replies to the customers. So even being a CEO, he has a lot of work, but he takes some time to reply to the customers. So I like that quality. And the Xiaomi phone, they don't do that much of high marketing. So whenever they do advertisement, they just in the month of mega sales, they just do the marketing at that time. But the thing they do is event marketing. They launch the products very well at the event marketing. And one more example I would like to give is that in Star Sports, we used to see the Pro Kabaddi League. In that, the Manu Kumar Jain himself is to come and award the man of the match. Like that, we can see that he himself branding. He branding Xiaomi and also his personal branding. He's doing both things. That's why I like the Manu Kumar Jain.
It's
As I said.
yes, great, Kiran, and very good. So, with respect to your presentation, you have a very good posture. You are able to fit your screen exactly straight, and you are looking great. Okay, so good.
Thank you.
And, next person of your team.
Now I would like to call Rizvi sir.
Yes, yes.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all. I just wanted to share my 3 to 4 months roughly of internship that I did at a CA firm. Since I was halfway through CA, so in between the time I had to go to internship. That time it is very small firm. That's in Komangla. There are around like only 7 people, including me and the owner. So total 8 people. Now what I liked about him is he used to sit with me. He used to teach me how to file returns. He used to teach me how to check if the books of accounts are correct. Check with the bank statements. Even though he knew that I was a very new, I didn't have so much of knowledge. He sat with me. He taught me everything. But then the other thing that he told me once, just like we were having a normal conversation, like silly talk. So I just asked him, okay, how you started this business, why you started, and all. He just told me a sentence. When I started this business, in my plan, I had an idea like within 6 to 7 months, this business, I should have close to around 100 to 150 customers, whether they be big or small, even an individual person, I don't care. I need 100 customers. So he started approaching single person. I mean, he talked to his friends, then he talked to his friend's friend. So he told me that when you make a business plan, make it, approach your friends, talk to them, tell them, I have this business, spread the word like that. You don't need to, personally go and do everything. There are a lot of mediums. You can go through internet, you can go through these things. So make it like your business should run on its own after 6 to 7 months. So that was the case. It was a year-old firm that was. So he told, with after 6 months, I don't need to come to this firm at all. I was just relaxing at my home. You people were doing the work. You people were doing everything. So that's why he told me, when you start a business, just invest your time for 6 months and then move out from it and then start some other business so that business runs on its own. So that I liked him. And since I am planning to do a business on my own after doing a job and gathering, accumulating some amount and then investing. So these are the qualities that I learned that I might be investing in my business, implementing in my business strategy. Thank you so much.
Yes, great, Sayed. So we 18 plus 1, including me, we are ready to support you in terms of sales in your future business. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for your sharing. And anybody, Kiran, from your team?
Sir, Prajwal, sir. Prajwal.
Prajwal.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Good
sir.
morning. I'm inspiring my brother, sir. He's a good in sales, sales and marketing design. He's a good in interior designing also, but his qualities is different, right? Making with collaboration, and is a growth mindset in the future ideas and in their ethics and in his business, and he's also staying from top 10 in the new come up with the new ideas and ability to represent in the skills and abilities with the customer, and is emotional touching with the connecting with the customer and collaboration with working with the customer, and is a inspiring to me, and is making me confident to motivation skills, and is also supporting me to the best salesperson in my business also, and is knows is always updated me the current marketing situation trends, and their how to connect with the peoples, and how to collaborating with the customer to make the business, and he is designing in implementing the strategic sales plan that expand the company's customer base, ensure its strong presence, managing the recruit objectives, setting the coaching, and is inspiring is inspiring. That's all about him. Hello, sir.
Very nice, Prajwal. So where is your time?
No, sir. All are left in my pages, sir.
Okay, fine. Good.
It's a limited.
Are you enjoying other speech? You are so happy. You are so smiling. Yes. I don't know why. Yes, let us listen later. And another multitasking person is our Smita Thomas. Okay. Smita Thomas is doing 2 to 3 walks parallelly, and what she is going to share to us is not about other things. She grasped many things from our people. So we shared many things, right? That will be consolidated and will be shared by Smita Thomas. Okay, so let me listen later. Okay, Sikiran, anybody else?
No, sir.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you. So next we are moving to, instead of Smita team, we are moving to Mebin, because Smita have consolidation. Okay. Mebin's team, who is there? Pradeep belongs to Mebin's team, right?
Yes, sir. Morning, sir.
Good morning. Can you please
Actually, I was waiting for the Mebin, sir.
Yes. Can you please share the secret of your energy, your happiness? You are always smiling during the session, laughing. Yes, very interesting to see that. Okay. Anyway, please give the.
No, sir. Actually, I was.
Yes. Tell me.
I was listening to them. No, sir. Like.
Okay. Fine. Yes, please.
Sir, actually, during my graduation, I was doing a part-time job, sir. The company name is VLCC. It's a healthcare limited. There I have come across two managers. I was working first when I started my job. I was working under one manager. She is like she is very much interested only in reaching their targets. Like she was very strict, and she was mainly concentrating to reach her targets. So every time she'll be scolding the employees, she'll be calling for the meetings, she'll be telling like you're doing all these nonsense things, it's not correct, like you have to speak to the customer in a kind way, like that and all. She used to give you more lecture and all. Like nobody used to like her, sir. Everybody used to hate her. Whenever she comes inside the company, whenever she enters inside, everybody were turning their faces. So it was like that, and she was like not able to adjust with anyone, and main concentration is to reach her target. So nobody was cooperating with her. And second manager, after she left she has shifted to other branch. Second manager, she is like she used to reach the targets, and she used to maintain a very good relationship with the employees. So she is able to reach her targets easily, and she used to reach her individual target also. She was concentrating on complete company, branch target as well as individual target. What I learned from her is like relationship management is very important for the managers with the employees. Then only they can able to success. So I learned that thing from these two managers, and I started myself kindergarten. Like I was working there as a counselor, but with me one more girl was there. She used to reach her targets. I was not able to do it. So whenever the manager calls us for the meeting, she used to compare both of us. See, she is doing it, you are not doing it. What's the problem? Like that she used to ask. At that time, I used to feel like why I'm not doing like that. Later, I understood like main thing is how we communicate with the customer. We need to understand the needs of the customer. Then only we can able to reach their needs. So I understood that, and I started the kindergarten where I was not able to reach my target in that job. Here in kindergarten, when I started starting, I was like only the admissions were 5 to 10, sir. So there also I was feeling little difficult, like I was not able to understand the needs of the parents and all. So later I was like slowly I started listening to them. Main thing, we need to listen to them, then only we can understand them. If we concentrate only on what we are trying to tell them, so we are not able to listen them properly. So if we listen to them, if we give time to listen them, only we can able to give what they want. So I understood that thing from there. And now the kindergarten is having 50 strength. I have 2 branches. From past 1.5 years, so we are not able to do it because of this corona COVID, everything is closed. But I'm sure I am going to make it again after this year. I'll be able to continue with very good this one, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Great to hear, Pradeepa. Yes, great, very nice inputs, and we wish you for your future entrepreneurship also. Okay, so finally we come to the great 2 giants, the sales carriers. One is Tejas, led by Smita Thomas. So first we go to Tejas, and finally it will be consolidated by Smita. Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
So 1 minute.
And I request Tejas.
Yes, sir.
Yes, proceed. Yes.
Sir, as per what I have come through, I have gone through 2 people in my life, sir. I mean, one is through Personal Connect where I had worked. So though I did a HR-based job, their sales is something, because it's a small firm. The sales is something which is mainly important to get in clients, to get in vendors, to get in these kind of things. So I was sent to a client location, and when I went to a client location, when I was sent to the client location on the job, and this particular place has this particular company is a 2000 employee based company, and it is based out in US, but then they have their operations which is done in India. So here the person whom I met was inspiring to me was Cherry Koshi. So he is the head of recruitments for India as well as the US. So US, when there was they couldn't find a particular person, they had hired him. So they had put him for the US team as well. So, but then at the span of 6 months, the records he had achieved was not able to, it was not, it was not possible by the person whom they had hired from the US itself. So the personal connect with me, the relationship which I maintained with him, he helped me, I had to get orders from them, or I had to get requirements from them for my team, for my company. That is a different company. So how it came through was the way his convincing ability. Even if a person, even if any vendor says that no, they cannot meet the target, his convincing ability is the way he talks. Even however he talks, he'll see to that person says yes and does that thing. And even when he went to the US, his personal thing, he went to attend a meeting in shorts and t-shirt in that cold weather. Even though he went there, his convincing ability to get the entire team of Cotiviti is a client, end client, to get the entire client's benchmarked projects for a ramp up projects for the particular client. The way he explained how he got into each and every point. The small minutest thing which it was not covered by other vendors, he noted those points, and with those points he convinced them, and he sold his company and he got that order for them. And that is how through a personal connect which I felt was a thing. Other than that, if you see, I've read about Jack Ma. Sir. Jack Ma is a person, Alibaba, the former CEO of Alibaba. So he, if you see the way he positioned himself with the e-commerce giant, American e-commerce giant. In US, the way they being a Chinese e-commerce giant, they positioned themselves in the US. And how he did that was through falling in the by attracting Trump. Trump, and he had a good connect, and how Chinese products are very much necessary for every single country these days. Before also Chinese products are something which is almost available. Even if you see Apple also, that they contain Chinese products. So these kind of things were where there is another situation where he had conducted the biggest e-commerce conference where he had 10 million 10 million merchandisers. If he has to bring in 10 million merchandisers to create 30 million jobs, which attracted even US, even many other countries, and which shined him out brighter than anybody else. Even Amazon wouldn't have thought about such a thing. And in this, if you see, it is enlargement of business as well as workforce. And if he's taken that way of connecting to sales or expanding his growth or whatever it is, so that is all something which influenced me.
Great sharing, Teju. So you wonderfully shared your experience and also other learnings from it. Okay, fine. So please give me a 5 minutes time. Okay, so I'll be sharing from my end. Okay, so first, how I am working is, for example, 60 minutes, and I am taking 50 minutes for a discussion or sharing. Just 10 minutes, I will show the PPT that you can learn. Anyway, I have a 30 slides to show. But if I send the slide, you will understand these are the things I am going to explain in it. So I don't feel that the explanation is required from the PPT you can learn. If anybody need me, please let me. If anybody feel like gap, no sir, we want to connect me, please stop me. I will proceed to that. So now I will take a 5 minutes of time. Through a career in my marketing, I had 5 years of experience from 5 different companies. Okay, later I will tell you why I shifted to different companies. Okay, so it is a sales, it will be like that. So it's not just that I don't like one company, I move to the another company. So I impress the people. Maybe within 3 or 6 months, when any one of the managers moving, they will drag me to them. Okay, so that's why in all the companies I was so successful, and my objective was to learn marketing for a few periods in a corporates, not like just in a distributor or something. So I successfully entered into 5 different corporate, all are top corporates. Okay, then as my wish, I came to teaching, but still now I am interested to sell. If anybody having a product, please tell me, I'm ready to come and sell. If Pratibha want to sell your kindergarten, please tell me, I'm ready to come and walk with you. So if anybody have any need, please put me as a first salesman. Okay, please take me to any retail outlet. Please call me at night 12 o'clock to do some activity. I am ready to do salesman activity at any time. Okay, I love it. So coming back, I want to share my about 5 bosses, 5 different companies, 5 bosses, how they are really a salesman. Okay, so first one comes to the first company I worked is a BPL Sanyo. Okay, it is a BPL Sanyo. Earlier it was so successful with the color television, but I worked in the company. It is a black and white television and electronic goods and gas stoves, etc. It's electronic device. It is in a declining stage. So it was acquired by Sanyo. At the time, it is a merger of BPL Sanyo. So my immediate boss is Murali. What is the quality I learned from him? Okay, what is the quality I learned from him is he always have a differentiation between personal and business. Okay, so he always speak only English. Okay, so I am also at the same stage where you are. Okay, when I enter into the company, how to go speak to the corporate, don't know. So I will always look for the people who speak Tamil. Okay, but he always speak only in English, whatever it may be. One fine day after 1 month, when he is discussing with the distributor, he is discussing in Tamil. Then only I came to know that he knows Tamil, because basically he is a Keralite. Okay, so he speaks either Hindi or English. Never he spoke any Tamil words to me. Then one day I asked, sir, last 3 months I'm just suffering because at the time as an intern, okay, I'm very new. But every time you are so formal means it will be like that. That is also only explanation. In not even single word he spoke in Tamil for that entire 1 year. Then he says that our personal relationship, religious or regional or any language attachment is different. Business is different. Here I am your boss. You are my subordinate. We have to work like this. But then I asked a question, sir, distributor. Okay, I am your subordinate. I am always with you. I'm working for the company. But distributor, when goes to the distributor, he is speaking in Tamil. Even he know how to speak in English. But then he said, he is a business person. He is my customer. I have to bend however he want to make me do. But we are associated for business. So that is a learning from him. For a salesman, we should have a clear picture. I can have my emotion. I can have some emotional. But in business, business is a business, profession is a profession. That's the learning. There is a salesman attitude. Okay. The next, I worked in a company which I loved more. Okay. It's a Dabur India Limited. It is having 150 brands and n number of SKUs. It is very difficult to manage. Okay. So first 3 months, I was just put as a sales executive. Okay. Sales executive. That means that is not my position. I have to travel with the sales executive. So I have to start by 6 o'clock and I have to end by night at 10 o'clock. That is a 3 months intern. Okay, so I have to do like this, then only they will approve me. Okay, because they said even you have 1 year experience in electronics, to FMCG, you have to start. Usually we won't take freshers. But as we heard that you are doing a very great job, but as per the position, we can give you only as a trainee position only. The trainee position, if you want to move from trainee to sales officer, you have to wait for 1 year. Then I said, no, sir, I already have a 1 year of experience. How I can wait for another one? Then in the interview itself, he said, okay, take some months. If you are able to prove that you are equal to other people, then I will promote. Then my friend said, normally interview he will say like that, but after 1 year only he will promote. So what happened? The 3 months he put me as a core sales. I feel very much irritated. I said, he should not chosen me. He is just torturing me. He is just disturbing, and he is making me to go out of the organization. Because in sales, we can easily plan to make them to go out rather than sacking. Okay, so I'm just thinking he is just torturing me. After 3 months, I'm going to each and every outlet in a Chennai. I know each and nook and corner of each and every outlet, and I can enter into the medical shop. I know where is the product and how it is placed, whether it is a dust or not. So after 3 months, because at the time we are working for a project called DAP, Driving Achievement of Retail Efficiency. That is because Dabur and Balzara combined at the time. And Dabur replaced all its old managers and appointed HUL, Hindustan Unilever managers. Actually, they got managers from HUL. So they want to work with the HUL system. For that, they made a 3 months project. Okay. After 3 months only, got to know that I was put in a project, but they called me as a salesman. Okay. So 3 months after that, everybody is presenting. It is happening in the entire India. Everybody is presenting. Then my boss said, okay, Ravi, you also work, no, come on, present. Then everybody see why, because they don't know whether I'm a salesman, whether I'm a sales trainee, or whether I'm an MBA. They don't know anything. Then I came and just presented each and everything. The top managers are very happy, because if you tell a retail outlet, I'm able to tell about entire turnover. I can tell how many units they have. Then they wondered, yes. Then I felt okay, they appreciated. The very next month, the offer letter came, you are promoted to sales officer in Madurai. The Madurai is a very biggest territory in Tamil Nadu. It is a very challenging business. Only 10 years of experience people will be placed there. He said, you are comfortable with Tamil Nadu. You are comfortable with Madurai because you are nearby Karaikudi. That's my native. Number 2, I believe you learned a lot. We want to implement the DARE project in Madurai. So you was selected for that. Okay. So he is the person who see my goal, my objective. Okay, then he gives some activity for me, even it is disturbing and burden, but later point of time, within 3 months, I become a sales officer. Normally, it will take minimum 1 year to get promoted. So as a salesman or as a sales manager, we have to understand what is the need for your subordinate. Okay, that's why again, I'm saying don't have some emotional attachment. You don't want them to smile, have a relationship. Hi, sir. Hello, sir. We should be objective oriented. At the end of the day, if your salesman is getting an incentive, he'll be happy. rather than daily you are taking to the tea shop, encouraging him, speaking about the family. Please train him properly. End of the day, he will achieve the target. He will be happy. That is the learning I got from the salesperson. That his name is G.K. Menon. So till last year, he worked in a very big company. Okay. That is related to salt. Okay, it is called as GSCL. So last month he resigned and immediately he called me. So it's about 10 years back he was the boss, and just 1.5 years I stayed with him. He called me as, how are you, Ravi? I believe that you are in teaching. Okay, so I am also interested in teaching. Whenever your students require, I'm ready to come to Bangalore. You don't need to give you any money. I am ready to give. I am doing a lot of consultation. If you want to connect, please connect. Okay, so after 10 years, he's calling me. Then I said, the boss, during the time you are always scolding me, that is business. Now I retired from sales. Now we are friends. Okay, this attitude still making me to get connected with this scheme. And the next person in Goodyear Tires, I worked in a Goodyear Tires, completely different industry, where the main thing I learned as a salesperson is from a distributor. He's called as a Ramasamy. He's based in Madurai. At the time of joining, he is around 70 years old. Okay, he is a crorepati. If you go to Madurai or Trichy, please ask Sami Automobile. Trichy or Madurai or in any place in Tamil Nadu, please go to any tire distributor. Please ask Sami Automobile Madurai. They know very well because they are very long standing. They are doing all type of tires. I am a manager for Goodyear Tires. Okay, so when I worked with him, so everybody said that he's a very hard person, harsh person. He's took on to the business, but I am the only person who will get connected. Only thing is I am very young. Normally in tire business, 40 years people will come because it's about trading. But I am the youngest person. I may be around at the time 25. So he kept me as like a very close. Okay. But what I learned from him is he come to the office by 5:30 morning. 5:30. But he is having all subordinates. 4 relatives are taking care of business. 5:30 he will come and he will go to home only by 12 p.m. I will ask, you are 70 years old, what you are doing, whether you are not believing others. He said, no. Till I die, I will do like this because this is a practice. Because I started my career as a sales in tire selling. I love this tire. Goodyear Tire especially. Even I am doing a lot of sales in some other tire. I love this tire, Goodyear Tires. And especially in tire selling, I want to start the business by 5:30. I will end by 12 o'clock. And per day, he will travel minimum 6 hours. Whenever I go and meet him, he will take in a car. I feel very happy I am traveling in a car. But he will travel every half an hour. He will stop in retail outlet. He will speak. How are you? How is the tire going? Do you need any support? He is a crorepati. He is a crorepati. And when goes to some other place, he will just say, sir, what food you need? Even he is ready to stop in a local shop to eat. He know what we like. Not as a 5-star hotel, I want to eat some in a Burrata stall. He will stop and he will come with me. Yes. So the biggest thing is admire is even he is very old, even he is having lot of system, he don't want to come out of the sales. He know each and every customer. He know about each and every company person. He will speak directly to the CEO. He will speak directly to the salesperson. So that is the attitude. Even he getting old, he never stop selling. Okay. And the next person, the very great company I worked is the last company is PepsiCo. Okay. In that my manager name is called as Jay Chandran. So he taught me how we have to maintain our distributor. Okay. So he said, as I'm sharing to my friends, please take 1 month to visit all your retail outlets, all your distributors, even it is not required. But in a Pepsi, the policy is weekly once you can go to the outlet. That is one day market visit. Other day we have to do lot of Excel sheet. Please remember, friends, don't see that you are took finance, took HR, took marketing. Irrespective, if you go to the sales field, your most of the job will be in finance. You will be giving a lot of money. You have to work in a tally. You have to work in a Excel sheet. You have to work in a SPSS, and you have to make an analyst. And analytics you should know. There is no specialization, dear friends. If you come to the marketing, you should know about everything. So most of the time we are working in the system, but this boss says for 1 month, please visit each and every retail outlet and please take up a note. Then I said, why boss? Then after the rule I came to know, after 1 month, just by sitting, I'm able to justify. For example, if we give SIMs, I will come to the salesman, dear friends, today I have 10,000 rupees. Okay. You can give the 10,000 rupees to a small outlet or a big outlet. It can be as a 1+1 offer or a direct discount or a display discount. There are a lot of things. Later we will be discussing it. Okay. You have an option. Then the salesman will decide, sir, I can take 10 discounts, sir. I can give like this, sir. But please understand, salesmen are very less paid. They always try to cheat. Okay. They will be paid with only 1,500, 2,000 rupees, but they have to work more and more. Okay. Unless we know about the market, we will lose. Okay, so after the 1 month experience, if some salesman is coming, for example, if Kiran is coming, Kiran is going to the particular outlet and next outlet, he says that, sir, this outlet, Raja outlet, build 10 cases in free cases. And Rani outlet, they build 1+1 offer. If they say, in a fraction of a second, I will understand, dear Kiran, this is a supermarket, they may build 100 cases, but you build only 10 cases. Why? And next one is Rani outlet, you build 10 cases, but their actual capacity is only 1 case. Even you are giving 10% discount, 20% discount, they can't buy. When I started asking question, next day onwards, salesmen stopped lying to me, especially to me in my territory. So I am not at all drawn to the market. Most of the time, I will be sitting in the Excel. The company immediately asks, Ravi, Aquafina came, we are ready to launch 1,000 cases in 1+1 offer. That means 500 cases you buy 500. So you please plan. Within fraction of a second, I will plan and give. Whoever is able to plan and give, the slot will come. For example, 10 salesmen, sales managers are there. The company will tell 1,000 cases. Whoever need, please tell. If you give extra, then it is an overstock. If you give less, your budget is lost. So because of that 1 month experience, within a fraction of a second, I'm able to judge about a salesman, judge about a retailer, and I can make a decision. That is the input of Jay Chandan, that we have to work for minimum 1 or 3 months to the core. You should know about each and everything. Don't ignore even a hesitated customer. Then you are a boss, everybody will respect. That is the learning as a salesman from my boss. And my first company, I worked for a little bit period of time in Chennai in Airtel telecommunication. At the time only, whatever we are speaking about MBBS, okay, speed, 4G, 3G, no. At the time, the highest speed is 64 kbps. 64 kbps. Airtel comes with a plan with the 256 MBBS. At the time, the competitor is Reliance. Okay, so I will come back to the boss, Ram. He's called as a Ram. His value is completely different. Okay, he will tell a task, and he is every morning I have to explain. Okay, so we team have to explain. Normally, corporate will have the business. Yes, all of you, please tell what is your today plan. So, sir, we will go and meet that company, this person, that person. Okay, he will just keep in mind. And even if he will just listen, yes, what happened, then we will tell story, because we are also very fresher, right? Sir, I met 100 people, sir. Out of the 20 responded, sir. Out of that 5 gave application form, sir. Out of that, so what is the final sales? Final sales is yet to happen tomorrow. So it is a 0, right? Yes. So he won't bother about 0 or 100. He will ask us to explain how you attempted. Then we will explain. So while this practice is happening, daily I cannot lie, right? Sir, I don't know how to convince that receptionist that she is not allowing me to go into the. Then he will say, okay, please Ravi, go and sit as a receptionist. Okay, this is a receptionist. I am entering. To whom I have to approach? Direct receptionist or to the security, and how I have to go? Whether I have to wear our company ID card, whether I have to have a bag, that's the plan. Because please understand about the receptionist. Because the receptionist having a lot of burden, we will be disturbing more and more. Please observe. So you have to remove your Pepsi card. You have to keep your bag outside. Okay, please remove your formal things. Because when we enter with your bag and everything, immediately they can identify you are a salesperson. You are coming for the order. Then immediately they will say, sorry, CEO is not available. So please remove everything. Go, hi ma'am, how are you? Yes, but before that you should have an exercise. Who is that manager? What he is interested. Please try to browse or please try to learn from others. Just to say, hi ma'am, how is Ram? I want to meet Ram. If you speak like that, he will feel okay. Then he will speak to Ram. Sir, somebody came. It may work out or not work out, but you should try, because you should have a plan before entering into the receptionist. Please stand outside, listen what she is doing, how she is dealing. She will do, sir will do as a role play. Try it again tomorrow. Try it again tomorrow. Then what we will do? Tomorrow we will go. She won't allow. Then we will again come. So 3 to 4 days, he will practice like that. Then again, he will say, sir, boring, sir, why, sir, it won't work out, sir. Then he will tell, Ravi, please tell me any one new company that you are unable to crack. Then I will try to find out some company. Then next day, he will take me. Please don't tell that I am a manager. Please don't tell that we are related. He will just go, he act as a salesman. He will just say, security, sir, I am Ram. I'm coming for this. He will act. And finally, he will enter the reception and he will enter to the CEO and finally get sales. After getting every sales, then he will tell to the CEO, sir, I am actually a regional manager of Airtel. Just to have a model where so they feel happy. Then come back, Ravi, you have to do like this. See, he is a regional manager. He is ready to act like a salesman in a real-time environment. That means even you become a manager, you should know. So by sitting itself, he will tell this will work out, this will not work out. You should go by 9 o'clock. You should not go by 10 o'clock. This time, this is a lunch time. Each and every client he know. And if I say, sir, to that particular outlet, I booked a network which cost worth 1,000 rupees per month. He will say, Ravi, what a mistake you did. Did you collected the BSNL bill because at that time BSNL is dominant. So we can get the bill without the permission of the customer. There is another way of getting a bill through BSNL. Okay. So did you saw that? Yes, sir. What is the bill amount? 3,000 rupees. They are able to pay 3,000 rupees in BSNL. Then why you offer only 1,000 rupees? Because their capacity is 3,000, right? So you should offer 5,000 rupees. Then you should explain in BSNL it is 3,000. In general, it will be 5,000. If you use Airtel, it will come to 2,000 rupees. Monthly, you are saving 1,000 rupees. Mean 12 months, it is 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees is your one particular salesman's salary. That is your saving. You have to explain like this. So each and every outlet, you have to appraise. He will tell a story. What time? Morning 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, night 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. The story will happen daily, daily, daily. From that, I understood. Even you become a manager, you have to listen to your subordinate. You have to have a contact with the customers. Got it? So these are the 5 aspiring managers. I have many managers in connection. Just want to name this 5%. So all people still, if I'm putting a message, they are ready to call me. And they know, even I am not informing, they are following me in all the Instagram. Ravi, you are teaching this, you put post in this, you publish this paper. Even it is not related, they will tell what position I am. So this relationship, understanding the market, ready to work in core is very much important as a salesman or saleswoman. Okay. So whenever I feel bad about something in selling, I will think about my managers. Still, they are in my mind as a salesman only. So again, I will start going for sales if it is required. So this is my observation. So I'm happy to share to you. Then now over to Smita for the consolidation. Yes, Smita, sorry for taking extra 5 minutes. Okay, you can take another 3 minutes. Okay. What is the thing you learned from the entire session? Today's session is a personal selling. We give an introduction for personal selling. Okay. The next session we will go for theoretically what is personal selling and we'll be explaining with the PPT. Okay. So Smita, what you understood from this much great people experience? Many people around 12, 11 sharing we had. Yes, Smita, over to Smita.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. So in today's session, I learned that as a CEO or as a salesperson or as a marketing person, you have to take everything as a challenge. And if you take risk, then surely you get the profit. And the second thing, try to learn and experience everything. Like if you don't like this work or you don't want to sell this product or you don't know how to sell this product to the customer, but take it as a challenge and learn how to what do you say, how to sell and what customer how to attract customer, like what all points you have to collect and everything to attract customer. And if customer is not showing interest in any platform, learn their interest and learn their demand, what they want, and how we can modify our selling skills to attract them. So and as a CEO or as a top level manager, help the employees and motivate them to give them points to improve their skills, or give them motivation to take out new innovative ideas and to create things in individual employees level. Okay, what and as an best as a top level manager, understand the employees, what we say, what's and understand the employees key, what's that word, to provide them best and take out best from them. This is what I meant to say. This will be more productive to the company and to customer also. So that's it, sir.
Okay, so thank you, Smita. And final question. Dear students, in an interview or some other company, you are given with the two choices. Okay, chocolate toilet cleaner. The company is asking, you can choose any one product to sell. Chocolate toilet cleaner. Which you will prefer to sell? Please type in the chat.
So your
Yes, somebody from chocolate. Chocolates. So many people posted chocolate, but you are unable to say why chocolate. Fine. So dear students, if it is an option like this, means don't respond immediately. So one person asks, sir, what is the price? Likewise, please ask. Okay. And please stop thinking from a consumer point of view. If I have a chocolate, if I have a toilet cleaner, which way I prefer? Chocolate. No. Please think about the volume. Maximum we will buy 500 rupees chocolate per month per house. But think about toilet cleaners. The cost may be high. There are a lot of products are there. And please think about the competition. If you're going to sell a new chocolate, there will be n number of people will be standing there. There will be n number of brands will be there. So obviously the price they have to reduce. They have to give a lot of advertisement. We have to sometimes beg to the retailers to place our product. But come to the toilet cleaner. Can you please tell me 5 different brands of toilet cleaners?
Harpic, Domex.
Yes. Okay.
Lysol.
Okay.
Phenyl.
Okay.
No.
Mr. Cleaner.
Yes.
Mr. Muscle.
There will be only 4 to 5 brands. Okay. They have their own customers. They have their own customers. So if you're having with a new product, mean if you're able to identify your own target audience, maybe for a price, maybe for a quality, maybe for a package, you have your own share. But comes to the chocolate, most customers will prefer only the branding or packaging. So that means that our personal selling may not work out that much better in sales, but it will work out in toilet. So when the question is asked, and please understand whether you are applying for advertising manager or for advertising for a salesperson job. If it is a salesperson job, means you have to think where you can show your strategies, where you can differentiate. Okay, likewise you have to answer. And with this, I believe that I can close. Okay, so I will be posting 5 different questions to 5 different teams. Okay, I will be putting in the forum. Dear students, please follow LMS. Okay, immediately after the class, at least it will be blocked now. Maybe within 8 o'clock, please check then and there, complete your task. It's just to spend 2 minutes. Okay, just share your views. For example, today's topic will be for the team 1, that is for Venkat team, advertisement salesperson, in which normally people are investing. You have to say we have to invest in salesperson. We have to spend on salesperson. Number 2. Whether hard working or smart working will work in personal selling or in sales. And third one, the sales never stop. Even you become a very great company, or even you become a salesperson or a sales CEO level, it won't stop. And next one is MBA and salesmanship, how it is related. Normally, MBA people always look for becoming analytics person, finance person. I want to become that much. But here I'm speaking like a salesman. How MBA is going to give me opportunity in sales? Why I have to go for sales? People will say like this, sales. But how you are defending MBA will add value for my sales. Okay. And this activities of the salesman cannot be replaced by automation. That is a topic for another one. Even we have a business analytics, even we have a auto parts, a lot of things, digital marketing. Salesmen cannot be replaced by machines or technology. Okay, these are the 5 different topics. All can think over it. I'll put in forum. Okay, respective teams, please share your views. Everybody has to respond, including the absentees. Okay, so team leaders, please take